How to pass the H ASCP technologist in hematology exam is not as complicated as many think. But here's the truth. Most lab professionals fail not because they're unqualified, but because they approach preparation the wrong way. They cram last minute, they skip practice, or they underestimate the exam's depth. And in this video, I'll give you a step-by-step action plan to guarantee your success. Stay with me until the end, because I'll share one overlooked exam day fact that shocks many test takers. Welcome to MLSIAcademy. We help lab professionals worldwide earn their ASCP certification with confidence. Our community is built for serious lab pros who want proven strategies, not guesswork. If you're looking for how to pass the ASCP H exam, you're in the right place. So here's exactly what you'll learn today. First, how to create the lifestyle and habits that support exam success. Second, how to strengthen your brain memory and focus so you retain more in less time. And third, how to build and follow a clear study plan that gets results. This is the same framework used by thousands of successful candidates. Let's start with the foundation. The first key to passing the ASCP H exam is lifestyle. I know this sounds basic, but it makes or breaks your preparation. Think about it. Your brain is your tool. If it's tired, foggy, or underfueled, no amount of study will stick. That's why two lifestyle habits matter above all: sleep and diet. Let's talk sleep. When you're studying for the ASCP H exam, you need power before time. You might have hours in your schedule, but without proper rest, you won't have the energy to use them. Good night's sleep fuels your brain memory and cognitive function. Aim to sleep before 11 p.m. That's when your body's repair system works best. And make sure your room is dark. Light exposure suppresses melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep deeply. A dark room equals better melatonin production and more restorative sleep. Now, diet. This one shocks people. The biggest diet mistake you can make while preparing for the ASCP H exam is consuming refined sugar. Why? Because sugar causes brain fog. And the last thing you need while studying hematology concepts is mental cloudiness. If you need sweetness, use natural alternatives like stevia. Replace sugary snacks with brain-friendly options like nuts or fruit. Your recall will improve, and you'll feel sharper. I'm not saying this as a nutritionist, but as someone who's been in your shoes. During my own exam prep, I had poor memory and low energy. After seeking guidance and making changes to my sleep and diet, everything shifted. I could study longer, retain more, and stay clear-headed under pressure. So don't skip these fundamentals. The second key to passing the ASCP H exam is boosting your brain memory. You already know the exam requires memorization and application of detailed knowledge. But here's the secret. Memory isn't just about reading more pages. It's about preparing your brain to absorb and recall information. Start with food. Egg yolks are rich in choline, which supports brain function and memory. Broccoli is loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C and flavonoids, which protect brain cells. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna are packed with omega-3s, which provide oxygen to the brain and help you retain both new and old information. And yes, dark chocolate is a brain booster too. It contains flavonoids and small amounts of caffeine that improve focus, learning, and recall. Supplements can help as well. Omega-3, vitamin B12, alpha-lipoic acid, and ginkgo biloba are common choices. But if you use vitamin B12, consider sublingual forms. They absorb better than oral pills, since many people don't produce enough intrinsic factor for proper absorption. Supplements aren't magic, but they can give you an extra edge when combined with the right food and habits. Now, let's move to the third and most practical key, your study plan. Passing the ASCP H exam is not about how much you study, but how smartly you study. So ask yourself 3 questions: when, how long, and how to study. When should you study? The best time is before work or early in the day. That's when your brain is fresh, free from distractions, and capable of deep focus. If you can take vacation leave before the exam, that's even better. But if not, protect your mornings. How long should you study? Longer sessions are better than scattered short ones. For example, studying 4 hours in one block is more effective than 2 hours on 2 separate days. Why? because longer sessions allow you to connect the dots, make comparisons, and practice differential diagnoses. That's how you move from memorization to mastery. And how should you study? Always with pen and paper. Reading alone is passive. Writing imprints information into your brain. It forces you to process concepts, not just skim them. Think of it as engraving knowledge instead of sprinkling it. Now let's connect all this to your actual exam journey. Here's your step-by-step action plan to pass the ASCP H exam. Step 1. Use a complete study guide. Don't skip anything. Every single word counts. One overlooked sentence could be the one that shows up on your exam. Step 2. Apply your study plan consistently. Don't just make a schedule, follow it. Consistency beats intensity. Daily progress compounds into mastery. Step 3. Train with Q banks. After studying each subject, test yourself immediately with Q and AMP modules. This builds recall under pressure. Track your progress with reporting tools. Retake quizzes until you consistently score above 85%. That's your benchmark for exam readiness. Step 4. Book your exam only when ready. Never rush this step. The ASCP Board of Certification can take up to 45 days to process your application. That gives you time to reach mastery. Only book once you're consistently hitting 85% or higher in both quizzes and mock exams. Step 5. Visit your test center before exam day. The ASCP H exam is run by Pearson VUE. After your approval, you'll receive a link to schedule your test. Know exactly where the center is, how long the trip takes, and what the environment looks like. This removes uncertainty and reduces stress. Step 6. Before exam day, rewrite the syllabus by hand at least once. This sounds old-fashioned, but it works. Writing organizes your knowledge into a mental library. So when a question comes, you can pull the answer instantly. Step 7. Final exam day tips. Sleep well the night before. Book your exam in the morning when your brain is sharpest. Personally, I recommend between 9 and 11 a.m. Arrive early, stay hydrated, and stay calm. You've done the work. Trust your preparation. Now, here's the overlooked fact I promised earlier. You may see up to 10 questions that are outside the syllabus. Don't panic. These are survey questions. They don't count against your score. Most test takers get shocked and lose focus when they see them. Don't make that mistake. Skip, move on, and finish strong. Thousands of lab professionals worldwide have passed using this exact strategy. And at MLSIAcademy, we've helped candidates succeed through expert-led prep, live classes, recorded lessons, study guides, and QBanks at dash.mlsiacademy.com. We've built the global hub for ASCP success. Let's recap the big points. How to pass the ASCP H exam comes down to 3 pillars. 1. A healthy lifestyle with proper sleep and diet. 2. Boosting brain power with foods, supplements, and habits. 3. A structured study plan with guides, QBanks, and mock exams. Follow these, and passing the ASCP H exam becomes not just possible but predictable. If you're ready to go deeper, explore our prep platform at MLSIAcademy. And don't forget to subscribe, because in our next video, we'll break down how to prepare for the ASCP Technologist in Hematology exam in detail. That's where we'll map out subject-specific strategies and scheduling hacks you can use immediately. You're closer than you think to becoming ASCP certified. Stay disciplined, trust the process, and I'll see you at the finish line with a passing score in hand.